Today I'm at 12a Pendruccombe Court. It's a third floor, two double bedroom flat in an over 50s purpose-built apartment block. Very close to the town. Tesco's is just along the road as well, and you've got some wonderful views out towards Dartmoor. There is parking, and there is also a communal garden. So if you'd like to find out more, then watch the video and book a viewing.